at the end, we are sure that these players get more experience, and this experience will be very important for the goals that the youth categories have in the future. And as I said before, these players have, there are 7 players in our team, can play the AFC under 19 in the under 92 World Cup under 21. And this is the main idea, and with the generation with the under 6 and the generation with under 18, these 3 generations are involved in the future also, in my opinion, in 2022 for the Olympic Games. To get this experience playing with experienced players. And this competition gonna put a lot of problems to us, problems that is impossible to have in a normal session of training. So this competition, 18 games, will be fantastic for this development. And we are prepared for that. I'm a coach, and I said to the players, when we start the game, nobody wins and nobody loses before playing, and we're gonna make exactly the same philosophy of the World Cup. Try to win, try to get the victories, try to make our best, but for sure, in the end, they have more experience when they finish this experience.
Actually, I would like to thank to the Federation for giving us a chance to play in this I-League. And for our team, it's a great opportunity to play with the senior teams, and in the 4 months we are going to get 18 matches, so we're going to gain a lot of experience, and actually it's good for our career for the future also, as well as for the Indian football team also.
First of all, we are very happy to play against Indian Arrows. After the World Cup, we have a very good opportunity to play against the best team best organized side in India, because already the team is tactically the team is superior than us, because more than 3 years they practice under the coach. They played a very good exposure tournament also. I accept that really compared with us, tactically they are far better than us. If you play against that Indian Arrows, but only that way we have a foreign players. They don't have foreign players, we have a foreign players. That is a little advantage for us. Apart from that, they are maybe under 19 boys. We are our average is 25. So slightly we have advantage. We will utilize the advantage. We try to beat Indian Arrows.
Everybody knows how they performed in this World Cup. It was outstanding performance. They are very young and energetic team, so we are also a good team.